Hello and welcome to Sktv'S News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Himavati Khombantabam. First headlines. World Wetlands Day 2026 observed in Manipur under the theme Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge, celebrating cultural heritage. Ex-Chief Minister N. Biren asserts Union Budget 2026-27 will boost startups and IT-related services in Northeast region. And Lok Sabha takes up 18-hour debate on motion of thanks to President Draupadi Murmu's address as Sonowal highlights vision of Viksit Bharat. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Directorate of Environment and Climate Change and Manipur State Wetlands Authority jointly organized the observance of World Wetlands Day 2026 at Imphal East District's Yarulpad today. In the program, which was organized on the theme Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge, celebrating cultural heritage, Principal Secretary of Forests, Environment and Climate Change Arun Kumar Sinha, Chairperson of Manipur State Wetlands Authority Technical Committee Dr. K.H. Samungo, Commissioner of PHED IPR Dr. Shailesh Kumar Chaurasia, Secretary of Tourism Hyungyo Warshang and Director of Environment and Climate Change Dr. T. Brajakumar along with other eminent persons graced the event. A wetlands virtual museum was also launched while Top Dusara village was identified as climate resilient village during the program. Speaking in the program, Principal Secretary of Forest, Environment and Climate Change Arun Kumar Sinha highlighted the importance of wetland conservations and also underscored wetlands which was identified as Ramsar sites under Ramsar Convention 1971, which also include the Loktak Lake of Manipur. While emphasizing on the correlation between wetlands and human, Arun Kumar Sinha informed that Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Nodal Office and Manipur State Wetlands Authority in association with Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center have successfully carried out mapping of 71 wetland areas in Manipur, while draft notification has been issued for 3 wetlands, namely Itokjingpad, Uttarapad and Awaithau wetlands. An official e-gazette will be published soon. He further maintained that integrated management planning has been implemented to ensure aquatic ecosystem conservation.
We have 3,190 meter of wetland boundaries fenced. We have done plantation in around 100 hectare of land. We have removed around 77,000 cubic meter of silts and beets. 4 springs under rejuvenation at Chinkhe Hill, and 30 farmers have been trained in climate resilient agriculture. 10 vermicomposting units constructed for beneficiary under livelihood activity. 3 numbers of watchtower constructed around the wetland. 10 numbers of plastic water bank and dustbin for each household were distributed under the solid waste management program. And bird counts for the year from 2020 till 2026 has been completed. In conclusion, I'll say World Wetland Day is not just a celebration. It is a call to action. Let us work together to protect our wetlands and appreciate the cultural heritage intertwined with them.
Manipur University's Department of Geography also organized observance of World Wetlands Day at Loktak Lake on the theme Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge, celebrating cultural heritage. The event was organized with the aim to discuss and understand the means to conserve Loktak Lake, which is an important Ramsar site. Speaking in the program, Secretary of All Loktak Lake Area Fishers Union Manipur, Oinam Rajit, highlighted the threat on ecology of Loktak Lake and its negative consequences on livelihood of people living around the lake. He also stressed on the need to tackle the pollution in the lake, including solid waste, biomedical and microplastic. And for this, he suggested opening of Ithai barrage for at least 90 days in a year. A cleanliness drive was also organized as part of the observance, which was conducted under the aegis of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University and Lokendra. Ex-Chief Minister Nungthombam Biren has expressed confidence that the Union Budget 2026-27 will create new opportunities for startups, IT-enabled services and skilled youth in the Northeast. In a post on X, N. Biren wrote that The budget had delivered a strong boost to India's IT sector under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. He asserted that these progressive reforms will create fresh opportunities for startups, IT-enabled services and skilled youth, including in the northeastern region. This budget reinforces India's journey towards an innovation-driven digital economy. In another post, Singh welcomed the budget's emphasis on diversifying farm output through high-value agriculture, stating that the move would help strengthen farmer incomes and improve rural livelihoods. He also maintained that the budget reflects a clear commitment to strong macroeconomic fundamentals while placing people, growth and sustainability at the center of national development. Lok Sabha on Monday took up discussion on motion of thanks to President Draupadi Murmu's address to the joint sitting of Parliament with 18 hours allotted for the debate. Moving the motion, Union Minister and BJP MP Sarbananda Sonowal termed the President's address as remarkable, saying it reflected the government's vision of social justice, inclusive growth and goal of building Viksit Bharat, guided by principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas. He criticized Congress-led government before 2014 for policy paralysis, corruption and delays in project execution, and said India embarked on a phase of rapid growth after Narendra Modi government came to power. Highlighting achievements, Sonowal said India has moved from being among the fragile 5 economies in 2014 to becoming world's 4th largest economy and remains fastest growing major economy despite global challenges. He said 44 lakh crore rupees has been transferred directly to beneficiaries through direct benefit transfer and claimed that 25 crore people have been lifted out of poverty through welfare schemes. BJP MP Tejasvi Surya, who seconded the motion, said Modi government has ensured delivery and dignity over the past 12 years without facing corruption charges, empowered youth and witnessed a steady rise in its popularity and that of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM and Foothills Naga Coordination Committee FNCC have submitted a memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla seeking clarity on the status and enforcement of suspension of operations SU agreement. In the memorandum dated February 2, the organization stated that 2,167 cadres belonging to various SU groups are currently lodged in designated camps across 5 districts of Manipur, namely Churachandpur, Teknopal, Kangpokpi, Chandil and Farzol. While noting that SU agreement, originally signed in 2008, was extended beyond its expiry in 2025 with certain modifications, the group sought clarification on whether the number of SU camps has been reduced to 7, whether arms and ammunition are under the custody of authorized central forces, and whether all registered cadres are strictly confined to their designated camps. The memorandum also expressed serious public concern over reports of armed militants moving freely with sophisticated weapons in different parts of the state. The organization stressed that if such individuals are SU cadres, their actions amount to clear violation of the agreement and warrant immediate action, and if they are not, strict legal measures must be taken. Warning that continued ambiguity or inaction could erode public confidence in the rule of law, IPFM and FNCC urged the authorities to undertake comprehensive, transparent and time-bound review of the SU framework and its enforcement, emphasizing that uniform and impartial action against all violations is essential to restoring peace and public trust in Manipur. Thangmaiban Youth Center celebrated 34th Foundation Day today at its center, Thangmaiban Hijam Dewan Laikai today. Retired CRPF Assistant Commandant Yenkom Sanjeev, Vice President of the Center Pukhrambam Robindro Khuman, PHED Special Contractor Laisham Saranghajit and former Film Forum Manipur President Samjit Sabam Mangoljao were the Presidium members during the celebration. Floral tributes were paid to late members who took major role in establishment of the center. Vice President of the center, Pukrambam Robindro Kuman, said, the center has been participating in various issues of the state since its establishment. The center has been extending assistance to displaced persons following May 3, 2023 Manipur conflict. He added that the center has been engaging in many activities to make the youth refrain from contraband substance for a healthy society.
ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯟ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯟ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯂꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 9 ꯆꯨꯞꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ 2-3 ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯈꯨꯃꯟ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯨ ꯊꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯟ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯆꯠꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯡꯊꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯛꯄꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯠ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯖꯨꯠ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯥꯡꯃꯩꯕꯟ ꯄꯨꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯨ respect body ma koi ta kanam le benu ki constituent member amaju oi bani center se.
Now before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. More news and updates. 57th Rising Day of 48 Battalion CRPF Headquarter Harinagar in Jiribam was observed last night. Cultural dances of Manipur, Punjab, Bihar and Assamese were showcased during the observance attended by DIGP SH Bishnu Gautam, DC Jiribam Krishna Kumar, SP Jiribam Assam Rifles Assistant Commandant, CRPF officials and IRB officials. Under the guidance of Manipur Police ADGP Lari Dorji Latu, a career counseling program was successfully organized today at Pujari High School ground, Khangabuk, Awang Lekai, to motivate and guide board examination aspirants. Principal of KM Blooming Higher Secondary School, Dr. Romain Kumar Mangang, addressed the students and encouraged them to face upcoming examinations scheduled this month without fear, stressing the importance of self-belief and confidence. The program was conducted under the theme Exams Without Fear, Positive Guidance, Counseling and Career Direction for Board Aspirants. Commandant of 3rd IRB Khangabuk Sarangthem Hemanta also motivated the students and shared advice on achieving success in life. He appealed to students to maintain honesty during examinations by avoiding unfair means and wished them success in their academic pursuits.
Ang kamataang mo nag-started ko ay pusita kita rin. Mukong tingnan rin. Operation doctor, operation rin. Tanjaleda magi manungisin. Napsun na rin may appendix ko. Tanjaleda kahit na. Ado na, ako ito mo ko na kiba. Logically thinking daw kiba. Ado ki patience like kiba. Wala mo kan ba mayanda. Pwede na sungo sila kahit kusida su. Any, yung munungi problem na po kayo. Noy na sango ba, doctor, engineer, any, ato ba field, mayama ato ba, mayama doctor, engineer, di hare. Ato ba field, mayama layang nga ni aduda ako'y tap na hustige oina khangkan ba hotabakan ba adu to ba hairu men tampi ba.
Moving on in the sports news. Southern Hills Football Association has emerged as a champion of Major Bob Karthing Memorial Football Tournament 2026 being held at Senapati AstroTurf Football Ground. In the final match of the tournament, which is being organized by the Red Shield Division under the aegis of Spear Corps, Sadar Hills Football Association defeated Ngairei FC 2-1 to clinch the prestigious Memorial Trophy. Mensen FC secured the third position in the tournament after a competitive third-place encounter. The tournament was organized to commemorate Major Bob Carting, a revered soldier, administrator and statesman whose legacy continues to inspire generations. Kingston of Sadar Hills FA won the Golden Boot with 6 goals, while his teammate Saimin Lal received the Golden Globe Award and Rakivaiche of Ngairei FC was adjudged the Golden Ball winner. The champion team, Sadar Hills FA, received a cash prize of 1.5 lakh rupees along with the trophy. The runner-up, Ngairei FC, were awarded 75,000 rupees, while third place, Mensen FC, received 50,000 rupees cash prize. The first Laid Oinam Matum Singh Memorial Cash Prize State Level Sub-Junior Badminton Tournament 2026 concluded at Indoor Stadium of Mangul Nganbi College yesterday. The tournament was organized by SAAC Badminton Training Center, Ningthokung. Speaking on the sideline, international umpire Hodam Gyaneshwar encouraged players and sportspersons to work hard to ensure Manipur remains a sports powerhouse. While stressing on the importance of organizing tournaments at grassroots level, Gyaneshwar urged badminton players to work hard and try to reach international level. In an under-15 girls category, M. Janelia of IWDBA emerged as winner, while Moirangthim Prince of KDBA won in under-14 boys event. In under-11 girls category, Chinkainganbi Seram of EDBA clinched the title, while Delric Pukrambam of KDBA won in boys event. Rashitoy Ningthojam of KDBA and Delric Pukrambam of BDBA emerged as winner in under-9 boys and girls event.
Training center services SAAC training center Siddharthana Moiraga Isipuna Amadi Mukun Kayaka training center Kaya Hanga Ano Sanarui Kaya Ututuna Hujiti Manipuri Mayapuna Muting Pampani Hari Haji Lazy Aduna World Indonesia to Denmark Malaysia China Players Sanari Mayamsi Sanari Pura Sumut Tariba Mechi Japan Sanamanina Masi Pungamanina Hujiti Manipur se India powerhouse I think powerhouse badminton game
And in the weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 24.4 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 7 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 87% in the morning and 39% in the evening. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. World Wetlands Day 2026 observed in Manipur under the theme Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge, celebrating cultural heritage. Ex-Chief Minister N. Biren asserts Union Budget 2026-27 will boost startups and IT-related services in Northeast region. And Lok Sabha takes up 18-hour debate on motion of thanks to President Draupadi Murmu's address as Sonowal highlights vision of Viksit Bharat. Now that's all we have for today's afternoon English news. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good day.